Okay, this is just to show you the faulty double shot cup. So I'm not using any, I'm not going to use any grounds in it, so that we get an accurate flow representation. Make sure we line it up. It's in. Okay, we've got it lined up here. Okay. Remember, this is the single shot one. Okay. Let's make sure we can get y'all in there so you can see it. All right. I'm going to turn it on. Should see some water come out. And there we go. Got water coming out both ends. See? Okay. Just going to take this cup. Okay, so that was the single. A little bit of water in there is fine. Okay, right here is the double. Okay. Here's the double one. Put it in. Okay. Double is in. Gonna move this down just a little so you can actually see it. Okay. And here's the pull with the double. Now it hasn't been coming out at all. We'll see if it's changed today. Nothing, but you can hear it filling up. So I'm going to turn it off. Still nothing. Still nothing. Take this out. Should see some water come out of the top. There you go. It's filled with water. So, faulty double shot cup, single shot cup is fine. Other than that, this machine works great. I'm hoping EspressoWorks will send me a replacement part. Thank you.